How can technology be used responsibly and ethically?
Hello, and welcome to this exploration of ethical technology. Today, we're tackling the big question: how can technology be used responsibly and ethically? It's an important topic as we become increasingly dependent on technology in our daily lives.
What does it mean to use technology responsibly?
First, let's establish what we mean by using technology responsibly. Essentially, this means using tech in ways that are mindful of their impact on ourselves, other people, and the world. This can range from digital etiquette, such as not texting during a meal, to larger ethical considerations, like respecting privacy when using social media.
How can we ensure ethical use of technology?
To ensure ethical use of technology, it's necessary to educate users about digital literacy. Understanding how technology works and its potential implications is key to its ethical use. Furthermore, developers and creators of technology have a responsibility to incorporate ethical considerations into their design processes. This is known as ethical design.
What are some concrete steps towards responsible technology use?
In order to use technology responsibly and ethically, here are some concrete steps. 1. Respecting privacy. Be mindful of the information you're sharing online and with whom. Always adjust privacy settings to your comfort level on any new application or website you use. 2. Encouraging transparency. Demand transparency from tech companies. They should disclose how they use and secure user data. 3. Promoting digital literacy. Educate yourself and others about the workings of technology, its potential pitfalls, and how to navigate them. 4. Adopting ethical design practices. If you're a creator, consider the ethical implications of your products from the outset. Prioritize user well-being and privacy in your designs. In summary, responsible and ethical use of technology requires a commitment from both users and creators. By being mindful of privacy, promoting transparency, encouraging digital literacy, and adopting ethical design practices, we can navigate this tech-centric world in a more ethical and responsible manner. Thanks for joining this journey into ethical tech. May it guide your digital decisions.